Are you looking for a home in the front of Sienna, priced at less than $300,000? Maybe something near the library or the swimming pool, and you can get to Highway 6 in about 2 minutes? Well, this is Bincy with Keller Williams Memorial telling you not to stop your search until you've seen this home at 8107 Golden Harbor. Whether you're just starting out or aiming to downsize, 8107 Golden Harbor is over 2,200 square feet in a single-story home with 3 bedrooms and a great study which can be used as a bonus space. With a formal dining, open kitchen, and updated appliances, this home is cool, cozy, and move-in ready. The home has a great backyard, but my favorite feature is this lake, perfect for biking, jogging, or taking a stroll on a breezy summer evening. To see the home at Golden Harbor or to sell your home, call me today. This is Bincy Jacob with Keller Williams Memorial saying welcome home to Houston.